Hey, what it do, party people? We got this new card in here. Gonna branch it off, see what's up in there. I got a helper today. Make sure you don't steal my serial number. Right there. Let's see if I can do this one handed. Meant to get my little stand and I forgot. Oh well. Take these little heavenly doodahs off of here. Shoo! Let's flip this box. You go over there for a minute, sir. Whoa. Little nose power. And that is on there. Sheesh. There we go. Alright, just like the 3000 series. Looks like we got a happy. There's one down here. The itty bitty. It's like an A2000, but this one's actually got a back plate. Sweet. Alright. Yep. It's like an A2000 on steroids. And got a little compartment. Times like these, I wish I had the omnibus. What's up in here? Okay, we got the display port, the HDMI. Actually, mini display port. It's a full display port. This we got. Alright. I wanted to build an SFF build, but we're going to have to do this one. I got a server I'm going to stick it in. Got a 3900X that I'm not using at the moment, which is ridiculous, so I'll put that guy in there. Not feeling coordinated tonight. Alright, so we'll stick that back in there and put this in her and screw it out. How that's it. Alright, so yeah, that guy right there. This has a 3900X in it, so I guess I'll pull this out, throw it all together, and get it online. Might do a live later if I can figure that out. Get the audio and everything working. Might be a Discord thing. See you next time.